I'm gonna let this song rock out real quick. It's almost done, then we gonna get right into it. I know y'all like that. That was a banger right there. Free music provided by YouTube. You feel me? But what's good, Joe? It's your boy Mar. I know it's been a little while since your boy's posted anything or it's been live, so my man's was promoting my YouTube today, and I was like, yo, I've been slacking a little bit. No content being released. I've been sitting on a lot of content, and I also am managing two other pages right now. I'm trying to get those up and running, so your boy's been a little busy, but we here now with some more sauce. So, I mean, we just gonna get right into it because I got work at 6 in the morning. It's 11:30. I don't even know why I'm up right now. I should be asleep, but I'm hungry. Hungry for that money, you feel me? All right. So basically, I'm not gonna bore y'all with all these details on the sessions, and you know, I got notes on it. Yeah, we're not gonna read through all that. So we just gonna make it as simple as possible. There's four sessions: New York session, the Asian session, Sydney session, and the London session. Each session has its own time frame. They do overlap. I will give you that information. The London session overlaps the New York session, and the Sydney session overlaps the Tokyo session. So basically, take this list, write it down. What you want to do with it is, I want to make some trades today. I want to practice some trades. Right now it's 11:28 p.m. All right, let's pull up this list real quick. Our Asian session. So we're gonna look at these pairs right here. Um, these are the best pairs to trade. There's usually more volatility, which means more movements during these times with these pairs. So definitely want to take this list down, use it, and since we're live, we're going to set up the chart for this week. I mean, I already got a trade on Golden right now. We're doing good. As you can see, we're in profit. That is on my Instagram and my Snapchat. So if you don't have me on Instagram or Snapchat, real quick, there's my Instagram. You'll find my Snapchat on my Instagram. So definitely follow me on the gram. I post my plays on there. Definitely like to keep y'all updated on my page on what moves I'm looking for. You know, couple little screenshots, little setups that you too can trade if you catch it early enough. So there's that gram. Make sure to follow your boy. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, because we making moves, and as you can see, we making money. This is what I do. So since we are in the Asian session, we're gonna look at these three pairs right here. So USD JPY, it's a US dollar versus the Japanese yen currency pairs. So, you know, we're going to do our top down analysis. This was like from 2 weeks ago, consolidation, waiting for a breakout. So, this is our monthly. Every candle is representing a month. The past 4 months, it's been looking like some consolidation. Looks like there might be some rejection of this point of resistance right here. Remember, resistances are ceiling. We zoom in, and you see this red line right here that's representing some resistance, possible point of resistance. And since we are on the monthly chart, this when a point of resistance is marked out on the higher time frames, it is a stronger um, indicator, because as you get to the lower time frames, it's less data. Every single one of these candles is representing a month, so there's a lot of movement, a lot of data involved in each and every single candle, which means that if price rejects, which it kind of looks like it's about to right now, reject the resistance, it's a strong point resistance because it's on a higher time frame. So what am I seeing? Possible rejection of resistance. So we're going to write that down. Oh, I can't spell. So then we're going to go down to the weekly. As you can see, that rejection is starting to become more apparent on our weekly. So it looks like a double top starting to form. This is right now a bearish engulfing candle, which means this is the body of this candle is bigger than the body of this candle. And since it's a bearish engulfing, it's in the bearish direction, which means the downwards direction. So basically, long story short, we're looking for sales right now. So far, we're looking for sales. See that rejection more apparent. There is a little uptrend going, but as you can see, I marked out some points of previous resistance, previous ceilings where price came up and bounced down off of, and it looks like we're hitting a ceiling. Not ready to put in a sell quite yet. We might want to wait for like a double top or something to form, because right now it looks like it's gonna reject this as support, maybe go up a little more and then come down. You know, we're not in a rush to make the trade. It's only going to be Wednesday in 30 minutes, so we still have 2 more days. Kind of play it out, see what happens. And then as you can see what I was talking about, even though we're looking for sells, you can see that price is starting to reject this point of support. So like I said, price might come back up, bounce off that, and then start to come back down. You know, I'm definitely seeing a sell coming very soon now. I see this trend starting to lose steam, this uptrend, and the possible start of a downtrend. So we just look for a double top formation in our hour and 4-hour time frames, because if you watch my previous video on my indicators for a reversal, it was one of the indicators was a double top or double bottom pattern forming on the higher time frames, and a continuation for the lower time frames. So if you were to see a double bottom and it was uptrending on the lower time frames, you would put in a buy because it's uptrending. It's continuation. On the higher time frames, the hour and the 4-hour, you see a double top or double bottom forming, which means price is going to come up here. We look for a strong rejection. And it looks like it might go down. So, I mean, we just got to wait it out at this point. It might not happen this week. It might happen next week. But that's a big move that we're looking for. So we might have to wait, which is cool. I'm not pressed. I'm already in some trades this week. Hopefully that hits my goal for the week. Then I can just chill off trading, honestly. My goal this week is 1,000. So see if we can hit that. Usually my goals are a little higher, but I am working 7 days in a row this week, so don't really got time to trade. Worked 6 days last week, 12-hour shifts. Try to get this money. So yeah, my goal for this week, 1,000. Keep it low, keep it simple. Um, Still up on gold, up 165. I have five 10-cent lot sizes in, so yeah. Like I said, follow me on the gram. Keep y'all updated on the gram. Show you how much I ended up making. But let's get back into this analysis for USD JPY. I don't know. I'm not really seeing that right now. I just want to wait. I want to wait for a double top to form, and then maybe a break of this level right here for a sell, or a rejection of this level for the first set of sells, and then for the second set, a break of this level. Because I see it pushing down hard. I mean, this is the monthly. Like I said, I'm expecting some rejection. It's already kind of, that's a slight downtrend, more consolidation if anything, and we're starting to hit our point of resistance, our ceiling. So I feel like it's time for price to kind of start pushing back down. This month just started, so we'll see what happens. Hmm. All right, so then we'll just go back to our list. British rate, pound, Swiss franc. We'll do that one next. Take a quick look at that, see what's going on, see if we can maybe find a play tonight. All right. So our top down analysis, you already know we start from the top, go down to the bottom. Interesting. So consolidation. Yeah, there's some consolidation. Not really much going on. This is the weekly, so every candle is representing the week. The past like 2 months, consolidation daily. Just consolidation, and you can make money off when it's consolidating. You can always make money. The pairs don't have to move that much, just enough. If you set your stop loss tight enough and it doesn't stop you out, you can easily make money off these little tiny moves. But it's not really what I'm looking for. That's why I'm kind of just like, it's consolidating, cool. Not really worried about it. I don't really trade this pair anyway, but I'm just using my guide on what pairs to trade at what times as an example of, like, what you would do during whatever time it is. So last pair, British break pound, Japanese yen. This is one I like to trade. So pretty decent movement going on. As you can see, I do a lot of charting on this pair. All right, so uptrending on the monthly. Look like we're starting to get that pullback. After a push up, there's always going to be a pullback before a possible continuation or some type of reversal pattern forms and it starts going in the opposite direction. Not really too clear yet. It's still like a pullback right now. We go to the weekly, hit some resistance, a point of resistance right here as well, support right here. So this is a very key level that it's bouncing off of right now. Looks like it might. Mm, Sorry, y'all. I just had a little had a moment there. I don't know what I was clicking on. All right, so looks like we're hitting a point of resistance right now. So what I'm seeing is follow this blue box all the way over. Price rejecting. I see price rejecting this level right here. I see price rejecting this level right here. So price kind of bounced off and then went through it. I see price bouncing off here. And now it looks like price, where it's currently at, is about to bounce off of it again. So we're looking for sales right now. Our daily, very large bearish engulfing candle yesterday. Possible continuation in the downwards direction. It's looking more apparent at this point. Now we're in our 4 hour. Let me get rid of this green. Let me get rid of that real quick. Consolidation on the 4 hour for the most part. I see consolidation between this point and this point. So it looks like it might start bouncing off of here. It could hit here. So, I mean, if we wanted to, we could set up a little possible trade real quick. Long position. So our stop would be here. I say my take profit would be like up here. That's a 3.72 risk reward, so I make 3 times whatever I risk. That's a pretty good ratio. Let's see if I can get it down to 3 and a little bit of change. Just so we have more room for that stop loss to kind of give the market more room to move. Overall trend is up, so I mean, well, consolidation right here, but overall it's been going up for the most part. Continuation, possible continuation. I see it happening. So we're not going to enter in the trade right at this moment. I have work at 6 in the morning, so I'll be up in a couple hours. I want to see some more structure form before I decide to enter in a trade, because it just made a big move down. So, you know, after big moves, the market does take breaks, kind of consolidates and chills for a little bit before making another big move. So I'm gonna let this kind of set up and kind of see where it's gonna go. I can already see a double bottom forming on this hourly. Oops. Double bottom right here. Maybe if price breaks above this point, so we can set some buy stops. A buy stop is when price is below this point. We want to enter in our trade right here. So when price is below this point, we can set a buy stop at a certain price. So let's say we set that this line. If price comes up and hits this point, it'll enter in the trade for us. If it doesn't hit it, then it'll never enter and it'll expire if you put an expiration date. Which I'll put the expiration date for the end of the week. But yeah, we'll put in some buy stops and see what happens with this one, because I'm really liking that setup. I don't really see it downtrending just yet. I kind of see the consolidation. So price breaks over this point of resistance, it will then act as support. So definitely that. So we're gonna move that to there. And then I'll enter those in. And then I'll probably just post them on the Instagram story. So I'm about to go to sleep. Those were our 3 pairs. But yeah, there's a list. All you gotta do, whatever time you, because Forex 24 hours. So you looking at the charts at 11 p.m. like I am. Boom, Asian session. These are the most volatile pairs at these times. Definitely helps you kind of stay organized. I know for beginners it's very overwhelming to have all these pairs. This a list of all these pairs. And you're like, all right, so I mean which ones? Now you know. At this time you want to trade this pair. Simple. But yeah, it's been 20-25 minutes on the live. That's all I really got for y'all today. Take this list down, subscribe, follow the gram. I'll try to keep y'all updated on the trades this week. It'll definitely be posted on the gram. I'm gonna try to get back on my YouTube grind, managing multiple YouTubes right now, so my focus is all over the place. Working and then coming home and working some more. It's a lot. But hope y'all have a good night. Appreciate y'all watching the live. Hope y'all learned something today. Hope this motivates y'all to go out, learn some more about Forex, start trading. Signals group and course is still coming. It's on the way. It's in the works. Y'all have a good night.